Come join me as we explore this week's JFI here at Plant 317 in Germany. Since January of 2023, we've began to see an uprise in bad soldering, and we've had a direct correlation with also a rise in new team members. To help address this problem, we created a visual at every workstation showing what a good solder is versus a bad solder. We also provided actual pictures of a good condition versus no condition on multiple different solders. We didn't just stop there at the visual, we also trained all the team members to these visuals to ensure that we had a good result. Since the month of March with our implementation of this, we've seen a downward trend in our soldering defects. This has greatly improved our processes. So thank you very much for watching.